Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics, chapter 1 real numbers, and the topic we will be discussing today is 1.3 the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, starting from page number 10. So in this page number 10 we have already completed example 6. The main formula to remember in this is for HCF the product of smallest power of each common prime factor, and for LCM we have to take the product of greatest power of each prime factor. Example 7. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method, and also we have to find their LCM. So let's try this. So 96 and 404, let's start with 96. Start with the lowest number 2 times. So 2 4 times is 8, remaining is 1. 2 8 times is 16. 2 again. 2 2 times is 4. 2 4 times is 8. 2 12 times 24. 2 6 times 12. 2 3 times is 6. Since this is HCM, we can just leave it here, because for 3 it is again 3, no problem. And for 404, here we are finding the HCF. So for 404, 2 times is 4, 0, again 2 times is 4. 2 1 times 0, 1 times is 2. Again, this will not go in 2 tables, or in 3 tables. So HCF for this one is for 96. 96 equals 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 2 power 5 into 3. And for 404, it is 2, 1, 2. 2 power 2 into 101. Now we are going to apply the formula. Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. So the common is, this is 2. So 2 is the common prime factor in this. And in this 2, the smallest one will be 2 power 2. Because 2 power 5 is greater compared to this one. So in this 2, which is the smallest, 2 power 2. So which means HCF of 96, 404 is 4. Now what is the question? Now we have found the HCF by prime factorization method. Now we have to find the LCM. So for LCM we have to use this formula. Finding LCM using the HCF, we have to use this formula. HCF in A comma B into LCM of A comma B equal to A into B. Here A is 96 and B is 404. Let's substitute in the formula. HCF of A is 96 and B is 404 into LCM is A is 96 comma 404 equals, what is A? 96 into 404. So we know the value of HCF. We want to find the LCM. So we'll have LCM then side 96 comma 404 equals 96 into 404, and the HCM comes down here. So this is how you derive the formula. In case if they have asked HCF, then this LCM would have come down here. You have to alter the formula. So HCF of 96 comma 404. The HCF of this one is 4. So we'll substitute the value here. So which is equals 96 into 404 divided by 4. We can cancel this one. So 4 1 times 4 1 times 4 0, 4 1 times. So 96 into 101 equals 9696. The LCM of 96, 404 equals 9696. So we have found the HCF and we have found the LCM. Now let's check if this LCM is right in the regular method, just for understanding. So what we would have done? We have to find the LCM of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. This is just for checking if the answer is right. You need not do this in the exam. 96. We have to find the LCM in the regular method. We are doing it. So just start with 2. 2 4 times is 8. Remaining is 1. 2 8 times is 16. 2 times is 4. 2 4 are 8. 2 12 times is 24. 2 6 times is 12. 2 into 3 times is 6. And for LCM we can finish it till 1. And then one more is 404. Let's start. 2 times is 4. 0. 2 times is 4. 2 1 0 1. So we cannot take anything for 101. So we can just do like this. 101 one time. Since this is LCM, we are finishing till 1. Now let's take this. For 96, the values are 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5 into 3. And for 101, it is 2 power 2 into 101. So now we have to use the formula. What do we know for the formula? LCM. In this case, the LCM equals to product of greatest power of each prime factor. We have to take all the prime factors and we have to write whichever is the greatest. So the prime factors we have is 2, 3 and 101. So in 2 when we have more than 1, then you have to go for the greater one. So which means it 2 power 5 into, in 3 it is 3 power 1 into 101. When you multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 into 3 into 101 is 303. So when you multiply this, we get the answer as 9696. So this is just for the checking, but till you have to stop till this. So we have got the LCM as 9696 even by the factorization method. So try this sum. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to get the recent updates. Thank you.